What is up, you guys? Welcome back to what the? My door just opened by itself. Well, that's a bad start. Let's do this again. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my vlog here, and today I'm watching a commercial of Ninja Turtles. I'm just watching some TV. Meanwhile, see what to do. Or I got my things done, and my vlogs are not gonna no longer gonna say like vlog number 27. It's gonna have a different title, but I'll probably leave in the description what number is it, so I could or you guys can keep track of it. All right, guys. Right now, I'm gonna hit the hay. Kind of look dark right here. Right now, it's probably gonna knock out. See you guys tomorrow.
Ya se acercan las fiestas de mayo, vámonos a jalarnos la banda, a pistear con parientes y amigos y planear unas buenas parrandas.
Oh, my finger's blocking.
Apostar en las pelas de gallo y de ahí.
Carlos, I got owned by that right there. Alright? So Carlos has one bar in his phone. But this guy, my dad, has How does he have 5 bars? What is that? It's not possible, kid. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Then you know we're not getting back. He's gonna use it to wipe out Xandar.
Telling everyone. That little arrow is doing that. Carlos taking orders from Bradley Cooper. Why is my flash on for some reason, kid? Me for today's vlog. If you did enjoy, smash up that thumbs up button. Sorry it was short. There was not really that much to record, but yeah, and we're out.